Paying with Klarna on eBay is a convenient way to spread out payments for your purchases. Here's how to do it. Download the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up or log into your account. Open eBay. Access the eBay website or app and browse for the items you want to purchase. Add them to your cart. Proceed to checkout. When you're ready to complete the purchase, go to the checkout page to review your items. Generate a Klarna one-time card. In the Klarna app, go to the one-time card section. Klarna will generate a virtual card with a specific limit for your eBay purchase. Enter the total amount of your eBay order. Pay on eBay with Klarna card. At checkout on eBay, choose to pay with a credit or debit card. Enter the details of the Klarna one-time card just like you would with any other card. Select Klarna payment plan. After the purchase is confirmed, Klarna will allow you to choose a payment option, such as pay in 4 installments or pay later. Complete the purchase. Finish the checkout process and you will receive confirmation from both eBay and Klarna.